Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App closed account. Alright, let's begin. If your Cash App account has been closed or locked, the first step is understanding why. Common reasons include violating terms of service, suspicious transactions, logging in from multiple devices, using unverified IDs, or inactivity. Before trying to reopen it, think about any verification steps you might have skipped. Next, log in using the phone number or email linked to your account. If it still says your account is closed, avoid creating a new one. Use your backup login method if available. If login attempts fail, contact Cash App support. Go to Account Settings. Close account and fill out the form with your registered email and phone number. Be cautious and avoid sharing your login code outside the official app or website. You may need to verify your identity with a government ID, full name, SSN, and birth date. Once verified, Cash App typically reopens your account or transfers your balance within 72 hours. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App closed account. That's it for this video. Thanks.